News coming. KTU announces grace mark for students active in Kerala flood relief work. APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University in Kerala announces grace mark for students active in Kerala flood relief works. And in order to encouraging participation in rehabilitation activities of flood affected areas, award of grace mark to the students as per the order. Only bona fide regular candidates are eligible for the award of grace marks. So it was decided to award the grace mark to all eligible students admitted during the academic year 2015 to 16, 2016-17 and 2017-18 who are in voluntary works. The mark shall be awarded for the end semester examination conducted by the university. The marks that can be awarded to the candidates is 25% of the marks scored by the candidate in each course. The maximum mark that can be awarded to a student for a course for all activities put together shall not exceed 10% of the maximum mark prescribed for the course. Transfer of marks from one paper to another shall not be permitted. Fraction of mark, if any, while computing shall be discarded. Transfer of marks from one semester to another semester shall not be permitted. The marks shall be awarded for all theory papers, courses, subjects for which the university conducts end semester examination. The grace mark shall not be awarded to students for practical lab viva, internal assessment, seminar, etc. even though she fails for the same. This grace mark shall be awarded for the regular and supplementary examination to be conducted during the end of each current semester, that is August to December 2018. Grace mark shall not be awarded for subsequent examinations. The request for grace mark shall be submitted to the controller of examination through the principal along with all relevant documents within the term limits prescribed by the university. The request for grace mark received after the term limit shall not be entertained on any account. This is only a one-time incentive and shall not be quoted as precedence under any circumstances. So if you are an KTU student who involved in voluntary activities during flood relief, you are eligible for 25% grace mark.